Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to create a user with home directory in GUI mode in Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8 operating system. So here I am going to settings, details, settings, details, users. Okay, now just click the unlock button. Now just click the unlock button. So it will ask for the root password. Provide the root password. So now you can see add user button has got enabled. So click the button add user. So I am going to create a standard user. So let it be Java forum. So set the password now. Okay. So please provide the valid password. So don't give any common names. Otherwise that add button will not be enabled. Okay. Click the add button. So now you can see that a user called Java forum is got created. So I am selecting the language for the user. Okay, that's it. Now I am going to verify just by logging off. I am going to logging off the current user. Log out. Now you can see that two users are there. So Java forum also is there. So I am logging as a Java forum now. So provide the password, whatever you given during the user creation. So I can able to log in as a Java forum. Let me check whether I am having home directory. Okay, let me check whether I am having home directory. Yes, I am having home directory. So this is the way you can create user with home directory using GUI mode in Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8 operating system.